Today I'm going to try an experiment and see what I may have sounded like when I was a kid, because I was always kind of curious. I'm currently 58 years old. So I'm thinking mainly you're going to be using the pitch filter to sound younger. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the pitch filter. And this is Michele Marie Dalene. And of course, Lumi's here too, obviously. So, yeah, I'm curious because my voice is deeper than Michele's. As we set a baseline guide, approximately, let's say, like a 7 or 8-year-old or 9-year-old would sound like. If it would be close to what we sound like when we were kids, as far as we remember. Well, there's no way we're going to find out except to actually try it, and that's what we're going to do. Yep, so let's see how it sounds. By the way, I noticed, too, that sometimes the recording levels seem soft. Yeah, they do, but we'll find out if it's really the case or if it's just because of my placement. Let's give this a go.